If you meet someone and they're from Clapham, it's best just then and there to slap them. And if, by the way, they pronounce it clom, it's generally advisable to break their arm in the glass of an alarm that goes wanker, wanker. They're probably a banker or work in the city. And they love living in Clapham because the common's so pretty. Well, there's 3 tube stations, so no need for the bus, and all our neighbours are just like us. Upstairs, Lucy and Ben, graduates of both of them. They're totally lovely. I totally dote on them, sitting on their roof terrace, sipping a white wine. I need no more proof of this. I'm having a fine time in Clapham. When we're watching rugby and somebody scores, we're so civilised, we break into polite applause. Yes, we see to the L, to the A, to the P. It's definitely the right place for me. They're not the only lovely neighbours, mind you. I've got a lovely neighbour on the other side, too, an Antipodean called Ian. He's great. What's going on? He's just a mate. Mind you, totally hot. We went to this bar, we did so many shots, it was crazy. We came up to like 3 in C to the L to the A to the P, where everyone is just like me. Nightmares, night scares, wake up in cold sweats. The recurring theme of my scary dream is the Claphamites are coming to get me. I don't know, because I've seen their faces. Just who will be my assailants? A hair-straightened army of recruitment consultants flanked by estate agents. So if you meet someone and they're from Clapham, it's best just then and there to slap them.